Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are delivering a presentation, running a workshop, or simply giving your audience a quick break, having a live countdown timer right on your slide is incredibly useful. Today, I will show you exactly how to add a working timer to your PowerPoint presentation in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want the timer to appear. Next, look at the top ribbon. Depending on your version of Office, click on either the Home tab or the Insert tab. Look for the button that says Add-ins or Get Add-ins and click it. A store window will open. In the search bar, type the word Breaktime, all as one word, and press Enter. When the Breaktime add-in appears in the results, click Add, and then click Continue. The timer will instantly appear on your slide. You can click and drag the corners to resize it and move it so it fits your layout perfectly. Now, let's customize it. On the timer itself, you can easily adjust the minutes and seconds to match your break time. You can also use the Type drop-down menu to change the background theme. Choose options like coffee break, tea break, or reading, which will automatically update the background image. To see it in action, switch to slideshow mode. Whenever you are ready, just click the Start button, and your countdown will run seamlessly while you present. To remove it later, just select the outer edge of the timer and press the Delete key. It is that simple. If this guide was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching.